Fix the hose in a paper position on the wall with the screws. Be sure to install the hose correctly. Install the water flow regulating valve at the blue water inlet at the lower right of the main engine. Install a protection wall at the red water outlet at the lower left of the main engine. Connect the water inlet pipe to the water flow regulating valve. Connect the water inlet. Connect the shower hose to the electrical wall. Install the shower bracket at a proper position on the wall. The above machines have been assembled. Turn on the water flow switch. Make sure there is no water leakage in the product. Plug in the power. Press and hold the on and off button for 3 seconds to start the machine.